Friendship is one of the greatest bond anyone can ever wish for. Friendship is all about loving life to the fullest, enjoying the joys or sorrows together, loving and caring for each other. Jai Hind to all my loving students. Today, in this session, we are going to learn how to strengthen this beautiful bond, the secret of lasting friendship, and are friends now more important than ever before, and many more such things. Before I further continue, I would like you to watch this interesting video.
True friendship. Long time ago, in the ancient city of Syracuse in Greece, there lived a mean king. The people in the city did not like the king and were miserable under his rule. One day, a man named Damon got together with the people and made a plan to drive the king out of their city. But the wicked king discovered their plan and was furious. He asked his soldiers to capture the leader. When Damon was caught, the king demanded that he be put to death. Damon requested the king to allow him to go home to say goodbye to his family. He promised he would come back to die at the appointed time. The wicked king did not believe that Damon would return. He said, "How will I know that you will come back? I will let you go only if you find a friend who will stay in your place until you return. If you do not return by the day set for execution, I shall put your friend to death." The king thought to himself, "No person will ever agree to take the place of a man sentenced to death." Damon had a very dear and kind friend named Pythias. Pythias immediately stepped forward and offered to stay in prison while Damon went to say goodbye to his family. Many weeks passed and a few days were left for the day of execution. One morning, the king visited Pythias and mocked him. "Your dear friend has not yet returned. You were foolish to take his place. Now you will die and he will live. I know my friend Damon. He is kind and loyal and always cares for everyone. He will surely come. And if he doesn't, I will be happy to die in his place. Damon has a family to look after, but I have no one. So I hope that he is delayed, so that he may live," replied Pythias. The king laughed loudly and went away. On the morning of the execution, Damon had not yet returned. The king ordered for Pythias to be brought out for the execution. The king looked at Pythias and said, "I told you your friend would never return. There is no such thing as a loyal friend." Just then, Damon arrived galloping at full speed on a horse. Quickly, He jumped down and hugged Pythias. My beloved friend, he cried. I had to travel by sea, and the winds were blowing the wrong way for several days. But I am glad I have arrived right on time. Pythias was happy to see his friend, but at the same time, his eyes had sadness in them because he wanted his friend to live instead of him. The king was left speechless on seeing the love and bond between the two friends. Their friendship was so strong that it even melted the king's heart. He set the two friends free and pledged to be a better person and a better king.
But here we are not talking to talk about dying for a friend, but about identifying and finding a friend worth dying for. We have to think about ourselves. Are we also true to our friends? Are we also the one for whom our friends will sacrifice anything? To have good friends, you must be a good friend. So now the question arises, how to be a good friend? Here are some tips, and I believe it would definitely help you to strengthen this beautiful bond of friendship. So number one, you need to take care. Be a friend to those who you value. Be honest and trustworthy, as friendship is based on trust. As just like you have seen in the video, their friendship, Pythias and Damon, their friendship was based on trust. Respect and care for your friend. Give space whenever your friend wants to be alone. Be selfless and share your things and ideas. Forgive when things go wrong in your friendship. Give thoughtful advice when sought by your friend. Give compliments. Help your friends during time of crisis. Listen to your friend. Give time to your friend and live by the golden rule of treating your friend as you would want to be treated. Children, these tips would definitely strengthen your bond of friendship forever. It's important to have friends and friendly relationships in one's life. During childhood, children tend to have many friends with whom they play well. But during young adolescence, developing friendship is a different matter. Now, how are we going to create this bond of friendship? It seems easy to make friends, but maintaining friendship needs a strong bond which cannot be easily broken. A strong bond of friendship is not easily created. Many things go into making it. And dear students, friendship cannot grow on their own. It all begins when you meet someone and think you really want to be friends with the person. Then start looking for ways to remain in contact with that person. A person cannot be a good friend if you cannot reach out to him or her. Now, in this present scenario of lockdown days, what is the meaning of true friends? Right? We need to understand this. As we are all in the lockdown days, a true friend will always give you an online company. He or she will always inspire you to remain indoors. He or she will motivate you to fight this pandemic with courage. He or she will encourage you to maintain social distancing. He or she will gift you mask and sanitizer and will not provoke you to take the situation casually. है ना? So this is the meaning of friendship in the present scenario. And not only this, to add into more list, we have real friends are those who don't have unreal expectations in lockdown. Don't you feel this is the best time to show that you care? But this is the worst thing to expect also. Expectation is not good, children. Try strengthening your bonds in this crucial time. Try not to judge others on even the minutest of parameters. Finally, be sensible. Need not worry, students. If you are not blessed with a true friend, find a true friend in the good books, as they are the true companion and would enrich you to live a meaningful life. So, here we have the list of the books that you can always go for, that you can always read, and find a true companion in your friends. So, if you wish, you can note down the list, right? I'm just reading for you so that you can note it down. Days and Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Panchtantra Stories for the Innocent, written by C. Rajagopalachari. Wise and Otherwise, written by Sudha Murthy. Malgudi Days by Vishnu Sharma. Amar Chitra Katha Collection. Pashmina by Nidhi Chanani. The Upside Down King. Unusual Tales about Rama and Krishna, written by Sudha Murthy. These are a few of my favorite things by Ruskin Bond. You can always find a companion in your books because they are the best companions. So don't feel disheartened that I do not have a company. You always have a company. Only thing is that you need to reach out. This is all by your teacher. Thank you for listening to me. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay indoors. Bye, students, till we meet you.